good morning, everybody. It is Friday. Yes, indeed. Off work for the entire weekend for the next couple weeks. It's awesome. I'm enjoying it. Getting some stuff done around the house, too, is definitely a plus. All right, this morning, neighbor was waving at me. She's down there getting after it. But this morning we're going to be doing a pool cage and a driveway for regular customer. Seems to be the way of the world nowadays. Regular customers. Built a nice business. New customers are far and few and in between right now. People are feeling the pinch on the groceries, and you got to put groceries on the table before you can get rid of the mold on your house. So I get that. The snowbirds will be back soon, and it'll be busy, 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 busy. Alright, so we'll see you at the jobs, and you know what to do, right? Get after it. Alright, here we are. Pool cage over there. Driveway over here. This is a regular customer. This is my 4th time out here. It's nice having regular customers. Okay, as you can see, we have a turbo nozzle hooked up. Got a lot of weeds here to get rid of. Some along the tile right there. We got some here. Here, and everywhere. See? Alright. So that's how we're going to start it. So let's get after it, shall we? Alright, it's turbo time. That's how you get rid of the weeds. All right, let's have a look at this. All the weeds, look, all the weeds are gone. Everything's going to be looking good. Now we're going to put some SH down on this baby and pre-treat it. And then we're going to get after it. Now the customer just came out. I told you, this is my 4th time out here. He just came out and asked me how much it was going to be. I gave him the price. He said, oh, bullshit. I'm giving you a lot more than that. You show up on time. You don't get that anymore nowadays. You do a good job, Don, and we got inflation. So I'm going to give you $150 more than what you're asking. And thank you so much for showing up. Wow, that's awesome. I'm liking that. Some people appreciate what you do. Most people do. But that's above and beyond right there. Every once in a while, you find nice people like that that want to take care of you because you're taking care of them. And that's a wonderful thing. What a good way to start the day and end the day, because this is my first job of the day and my last job of the day. That's a pretty good check that I'm going to get for today. All right, let's get after it, shall we? And be kind. It always pays off. Okay, that's steps 1 and 2 done. Turbo nozzle all the weeds out first. SH at second. Now we're going to take the beast, the mini Mondu, to the job. Get after it, and then we're going to do the satisfying rinse. Then we're going to post-treat it. Then we're going to head back to the pool. All right, let's get after it. Coming along. Step number 3 complete. Now there's some green mold and stuff up here on the house. You can see it from here, I'm sure. See that window right there? See the window of the house in the corner down below? See how it's black below that window there? We do a couple extra things around here today. The guy was very generous, so that won't go unnoticed. One good deed deserves another. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is the satisfying rinse, and then we're going to do some WWW wash jet tip action to empty this puddle. Michael from Exodus Pressure Washing and Paver Sealing came by my house yesterday. He's my neighbor, really good guy. Nice meeting you, Michael. And he has a sludge sucker, so I'm going to go ahead and buy one. He says it works good, so you know, the wash jet tip's cool for content and all that, but it would be nice just to be able to just go ahead and suck that water out of here and put it over there, or put it whatever you want. Put it wherever you want it to go. I'm sure it comes with another hose that attaches to your gun. I don't know exactly how it works, but I'm gonna get one and find out.
Hello.
All right, let's get after it.
I'm Bill Bailey, and I'm here with the band rehearsing for Sonosphere. And just to let you know, if Metallica can't make it for any reason, if Lars isn't there, we're ready. Ready? 3, 4.
All right, there you have it. The 5-step process. Usually it's a 4-step because you don't have to use the turbo nozzle every time. Some people keep the weeds out of their driveway, some people don't. But add that 5th step when they don't. It makes it look nicer. That looks really good. And always post-treat too. Keeps it down longer. Customer appreciates it. And job always looks better. All right, let's get after the pool cage. Okay, I can see the green mold on the outside of the cage from here. And I can see it inside too. You see that in there on the beams? Green down there on the gutter. It's a green mess. It's been about a year and a half since I've been here, maybe 2 years. All right, let's get after it. We're gonna do the outside first, then we'll go on the inside. That's how you do it. All right. All we got now is the satisfying rinse. This baby came out nice. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a final look at this thing. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do that. Tell your brother, sister, tell your mom loves clean, all right? And remember to get after it. Let's take a look. All right, all the mold's gone. Cool deck is nice and clean. Everything is clean, clean, clean. See? What a big difference. Yep. Another job done well by Super Blast. Hey, girl. There's a good dog. Hi. Cute dog. She's actually calmed down. She was going crazy. All right, that's going to be a wrap. We'll see you Monday. We got a full week's work next week, which is a good thing. All right, let's get after it and enjoy your weekend. Hey, that was a good job. Hour and 58 minutes for that job. Not bad at all. And I should be getting my Davis shooter tip in the mail maybe today or tomorrow. So I'm excited to go ahead and do that test and put this test to bed. Just show everybody that you don't need to buy them long shiny things. Whether it's from Davis, Cody, or Wody, or Floaty. The 0060 original tall reach tip blasts right on by all those guys. We'll do one more test. We're going to do the tall reach tip from Southeast Pressure Washing, the Davis shooter tip, and the 0060 tip that you can buy for $8. Alright? Alright, guys. That's all I got for the weekend. And I will see you guys on Monday. And hopefully sooner if I get my Davis shooter tip in the mail. Alright? I'm off to the bank. Then off to the bottom of the swimming pool. Subscribe to the channel, and remember, get after it. Alright, I got me 175 gallons of water in the tank. And I'm better known as Juan Valdez. Alright, let's go look at this little porch, alright? Let's get after it. Don here from Super Blast. My whole family gets after it. Even my dog gets after it. Watch this. Hey, Sam, sit down. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Get after it. What do we do, hon?
We all get after it.
See that? Get after it. Well, guys, thank you for everything. And what do we do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home,
Everybody gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it. Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet you he even gets after it.
Mr. American.
Get after it!